Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be playing the Evil Valk, and I actually know why I was tilting because I watched my gameplay. It was actually because my Valkyrie's under level, so I'm pretty sure that's the reason why I tilted at 1350. But no, I was still an idiot. But let's play with level 15 Valk this time and see how it goes. Jeez, it takes 5 seconds to find a match because I'm so low. All right. Time to push up. Pushing up is the way to go. Berserker, gotta lay HUD down. And we just chill out. At least we got a nice counter push. Never mind. But at least we got a Berserker going. Right there. There's that. I think against Hog. It's not Hoggy Q. Oh dear. I actually know he's playing. He's playing 2.6. I think he's one card off Hog. So I'm gonna have to be careful with that. Be annoying. Poison me. He is playing 2.6, and since we're playing a super duper meta deck, we are chilling. That's actually not the optimal spot. I'll show you guys the optimal spot against Hog Rider. But I don't want to give him too much fireball value, so I'm probably gonna give him go first higher a little bit. And we wasted quite a bit of time, so we can start playing. Not playing, but we can start going in soon. That slowdown effect is kind of annoying, but we get it. The best placement is not here, up one tile, right there. It's the furthest distance you can pull the Hog consistently. Well, not even consistently, it's the furthest distance you can pull the Hog. He's gonna fireball this furnace, so I'm just waiting for that. Yep. There it is. Furnace is pretty much dead because he's gonna log it. The Berserker. I want to poison his and then right here. Nope, I missed. You need to be ready with it, right? You can't get caught off guard. I'm gonna go for a graveyard time control this graveyard. See, the HUD actually does pull the Hog Riders, as you guys can see. But yeah, pretty good game. And go on to the next one. I mean, that was a pretty easy matchup, I can't lie. Next up, we get going against. I have no idea who this guy is. Let's play a game. I do like going first in the back. Maybe not so much. I don't like going first in the back. Here's the thing: if we defend this, we win. If we don't defend this, it's gonna be really hard. So at least the first putting in work on the left side tower. So I'm probably gonna bind some Berserker on top of poison this. But wow, we actually defended really well. And it looks like we basically perfectly defended. And we are up damage, so great way to start the game. This time I guess I'll still keep going furnace. Never mind. Right here. Wow. His bats actually pushed the skeleton barrel. I know he can downplay this, but I'm still pretty confused. I think we take down his tower on the other side. I'm not sure. Very bad goblin game, in my opinion. And we take his tower, nice. The problem is both our evils are out of cycle. But I think he gives up. He gave up. Okay. So far, pretty good push so far, and I'll see you guys in the next game. Okay. Probably push the 1500, and then we'll see what we can do there. Good luck to him, and first play of the game, I think it's still go evil for his first play. Okay, he misses a vision. I'm not sure what his plan was. He's playing on the third game. It seems like it's going right, so. Yeah, he's playing the same deck as me. I'll go Berserker left side at 10. But I don't think it's... I will poison this. Does get quite a bit of damage. I think I was too late on my barbell. Nice. I'll touch his hut. I need a vines on top of his Valkyrie. Wherever it's gonna be. And looking, wow. Nice, he wasted vine spell. I think I'm gonna go Berserker Graveyard again. Actually, I'm gonna block. I'm usually trying to get some more block. I have the vine spell. Hit the Fire Spirit doesn't do chill. Go Valk. very good playing against a new matchup. I think this guy just was just not good at the game, but it's basically because he let me get value from my evos, and I don't think he just didn't cycle his evos enough. I think that's the main issue. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Hopefully we can make back all the lost trophies. The Evil Valk is just so nice. I love the Evil Valk version over the Knight version, but, you know, I don't have level 15 Valk, so I have to play with the Knight version most of the time. Go, a nice Valk. I mean, a nice finish in the back. Nice Valk this way. That's the same idea as me. Cannon card does go down, nice. Nice burns, let's get a ton of damage on that side. Fires to respawn. Nice. I am gonna get, I don't know if he has lightning, so I'm gonna be very careful, very careful. Very careful. I'm ready to... Nice. Beautiful vines. And then he's gonna have to respond to Spirit Golem on that side, so I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. And looks like he gives up. No, he does not indeed give up. But he's gonna have to let my Berserker go. Okay, he doesn't even know how to activate King Tower. And now I just chill. I don't care. I'm gonna wait until he goes. I know I'm up elixir, but there's nothing I can do. What do I do? Graveyard? What do I do? My cycle's so bad. The next defense is gonna be so easy. It's not gonna be easy, but he's gonna have Evo E-Drag, so I'm gonna have to be very careful about stacking up my troops. I'm gonna Vines the Evo E-Drag. I'm gonna go Valk and then Vines on the E-Drag instant. I'm gonna go. Valk. Pull everything in. Vines. Kill everything. Nice. That's how you do it. Go here. Graveyard. Very good matchup against a golem player. I mean, the Evil Valk just shredded. I mean, that's the reason why we won. Ooh, nice! I got a Skeleton King. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Just get on. Oh, my clan's having like some clan tournament against some other clan. So maybe I'll join. Maybe I won't. I haven't signed up yet, but I've been pretty focused on pushing trophies. So. I have no idea what to do, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. You know, I don't know. Okay, I'll go Valkyrie into the night. Once I know what he's playing, then I will understand. But here's the thing: you guys wanna? Okay, he's playing Graveyard. Here's the thing with how you play against mirror match of Graveyard. If you have Evo Valk, right, you're gonna have to want the most value out of the Evo Valk as possible, right? So what you do is you're gonna berserker, bait out the vines on top of the berserker, and then once you bait out the vines on top of the berserker, bait out their vines on top of your berserker, of course, you're gonna want to Evil Valk, basically. So Evil Valk's super important, but as you can see, he does not have Evil Valk, so you know, that's how it goes. Before, I wasn't vinesing on Evil Valk. Okay, you want to vines on the Evil Valk wherever it is placed on the field, okay? You hear me? Wherever. As in, like, if the Evil Valk is placed, like, on top of your furnace, boom, vines. If the Evil Valk is placed on top, like, I'm saying their Evil Valk, of course, at the moment. I don't like this that much, so I'm gonna furnace high so he can't get poison value. Hopefully he gives me poison value. Okay, that's not gonna do anything. Nice. I'm gonna go for a nice berserker. Just to barbell just tank for it successfully. Get a nice poison. Okay. Interesting. Wow. Here. Bad Valk. He doesn't know how to graveyard, but I was paranoid. Get nice vines. The reason why I vines there, guys, is not because I'm an idiot. I just didn't want him to activate King Tower, so I wanted the. Wait, hold up, 1 second. I wasted Evil Valk on top of the Okay, let's see it. Not too bad. We can make this work. Please go at you. Let's see. Okay. Reset now. Wow, I got really good RNG. Keeps on working. His stuff on. This is where you want to be. I keep poisoning his versus I keep poisoning the other one. I want to take care of that evil knight, like now. Right. Again, if he uses, I think if he uses, he does have his poison back. I was about to say, I was like, I said, does he have his poison back? But he indeed does. Now we'll go for a low cut. Block bridge. Block right here. Get a nice barbell. Nice graveyard. Bad graveyard, in my opinion. But graveyard, poison here, line this side. He does go for it. Not the best. Oh, these ice. They come too close together. Oh dear, oh dear. It's not okay. Never mind, we're chilling. Let's go for another vines. Poison. The trick is, guys, do not put your vines in like berserker too close to each other like I did. What you want to do is just make sure you spread them out very nicely. And that is 5 matches. I know I'm sorry that they're in very low ladder and this is not the content I want to be making, but sadly here we are and you don't get what you want, is it? So thank you guys so much for watching.